Welcome to our tutorial on the IBM i%replace built-in function. Today, we'll explore how %replace works and demonstrate its usage through an example. %replace allows you to replace a segment of a string with another substring. The syntax for %replace is %replace, replacement string, source string, position, length to replace. This means you specify the replacement string, the source string, and optionally, the starting position and length to replace. In this RPGLE example, we have an input string RPGLE programming, and we want to replace a segment of it. Here, we use %replace to replace the substring starting at position 1 with a length of 5 characters with RPGLE, uppercase letters. The output displays RPGLE programming, where RPGLE in lowercase letters has been replaced with RPGLE, uppercase letters. To summarize, %replace is used to modify strings by replacing specified segments with other substrings. It's a versatile function allowing precise control over string manipulation. That concludes our overview of the IBM i%replace function. Experiment with %replace in your RPGLE programs to handle string modification effectively. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %replace built-in function in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. Don't forget to subscribe to more tutorials and updates.